Hi, I'm Tom Shelar, High Speed Motorsports.
Eddie Knox here at the blower shop.
Hi, I'm Bucky Austin and I run the Bardo Nitro Nostalgia Fuel Funny Car.
I'm Wally Giavia and I run the G-Man Funny Car.
Got to tell you, man, if you're in the market for a blower, you got to look these guys up.
I'm really impressed with their product. Their blower gives you an opportunity to do a lot of fine tuning. And I know all your tuners out there would love to have such a product.
For me, this is the only way to go.
Best blower manufacturer I know of.
The tunability is incredible. The various ranges, different size plates, inserts, and just the workmanship here alone. 25 years with the blower shop, still going. Look them up.
I highly recommend that you contact the blower shop and talk to their people, because they're all knowledgeable people. They understand what these blowers are meant to do and how best to address your situation.